If your family loves sausages, you will surely love this dish dahil it's a one-pot dish with sausages and rice. So easy to do. Sausage and rice casserole. Let's start cooking. So we're using quality homemade sausages from Tindeli. And ito siya. I just cut it into pieces. Siguro. Cut it into 3 depending on the size. I have Hungarian sausage here. Spanish sausage. Yan na siya, no? So, very nice, no? And I have Mexican sausage. A little bit more, no? Para medyo happy tayo. So, everything is there. It's ready. Yeah, different kind of sausages, whatever you have, whatever's available. But today, I'm using smoked sausages. And what I will do now, I will just sear my sausages. Oil, hot pan, put everything there, cook our sausages so that all the fat, all the juices end up in our oil, no? So, maging very flavorful ating oil base. And maganda yung kulay. Look at that, no? Our sausages are also available online. If you want to try our sausages from Tindeli, yan, may link below. Very nice color. Pwede to sa holidays, di ba? May handaan. Or pag nagmamadali ka, ang dali lang. One pot dish, rice and ulam in one. So, para siyang jambalaya or paella or Mexican rice. Pero this one is something that you will surely love. Gusto ko medyo tostado ng konti para masarap na masarap talaga siya. Once that's done, yung gagawin natin, tatabi natin yung sausages for the time being. Yan. Ito talaga kasi wood smoke yung ating sausages. Sobrang bango. No? Very nice snap as well. And now, using the same pan, I will saute my onions, garlic. Ayan. I will add my rice. Ito yung rice ko, 1 1/2 cups na bigas. No? Nice rice. You can soak it ahead of time, no? Then let it strain off the excess water. Babad mo na mga 30 minutes to 1 hour after. Strain out the excess water and let it rest. And ganyan na siya, para na siyang normal rice ulit. Gisa natin. Season with salt, of course. Yan. Toast muna natin yung ating rice. And ito siya, pwedeng kahit anong spice ilagay mo na. You can add like oregano, dahon ng laurel, rosemary, thyme. It's up to you. But now I am using just a little bit of annatto oil for color. Yan. And Cajun spice. No? Mixed Cajun spice around 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on how intense the flavors you want. Isa lang natin, no? Bango, no? The flavor of the sausages and all that coming together. Na-toast ko yung rice para later maganda yung ating luto, no? Buhaghag yung ating rice ng konti. Little bit more spice. Yan. And I will add a bit of tomato. I have here canned tomato. I will not use the whole can. I will just use half. That's good. Gisa-gisa para lumabas yung flavor. Yan. Diba gisa-gisa lang ginawa natin? Now, I will just add my chicken stock for more flavor. You can use bouillon cube if you want. No? So, yan. Mix. So, yung rice natin, 1 1/2 cups. Ang ating tubig or stock or whatever is 3 cups. So, doble yung dami ng ating water sa ating rice. Add it there. Let it boil, no? Let it boil. Let it boil. Yan. Pwede mo rin igisa yung inyong bell peppers. But what I'm doing, I will just add it on top. So, your seasoning will adjust kung yung gamit nyo niya chicken stock is seasoned or not, no? Kasi pag gamit mo yung mga granules or mga cubes, minsan may alat na siya. But if you're using real chicken stock, wala siyang seasoning. So you adjust to that. So yung gagawin natin dito, let this cook for around 10 minutes before we add all our toppings into the rice. So para siyang paella, di ba? But very easy to do. Iwan mo lang siya. Malapit na siya, oh. Yan. Before it's fully cooked, nakita mo medyo basa pa siya. This is the time I will add my bell peppers. Kasi if I added it earlier, magiging overcooked siya, which I don't like. No, I like the flavor of the cooked bell peppers. Pero I don't like it na mushy. Too mushy, no? Gusto ko nakikita pa rin yung bell peppers. Adding. And I will leave some for my garnish. Yan. Good enough. Yan. Stir. And I will add, kita mo, malapit na maluto yung rice, pero hindi pa siya fully cooked. Black pepper. And if you want to season it, you want to check the seasoning, you do it now. Bakit? Pag mag-in-in na siya, then matabang siya, ang hirap mo na siyang i-adjust, no? Very good. And remember also, when we add our sausages on top, ang mangyayari niyan ay, it will add saltiness. Yung may konting saltiness yung sausages. What happens is that all the drippings will drip into the rice and it will add all the flavors. Ito, arrange natin. So all the flavors of the sausages will, drip into the rice. Pag mahilig ka talaga sa sausage, ito, perfecto. You will enjoy it. You will love it. You will make this recipe pa ulit-ulit kasi diba? Rice pa lang, panalo ka na. What more with good sausages? Dami, no? Pero yun talaga. Sausage lover, eh. Press it down. And if you want to add your bell peppers, para may sumisilip lang ng konti, I'm just adding a bit more black pepper. And let it cook, no? Dapat mahina na yung apoy natin. Let it cook little by little. All the flavors will come together. And you will have an amazing meal for your family. So, ito, malapit na maluto yung ating sausage and rice casserole. So, if there's like water or liquid pa, pwede mong, just help it. Ganda, no? Fluffy, light, fluffy rice. And all you have to do, once your rice is cooked, you have to just keep it covered and let it rest for a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, before serving. And there you have it, a very nice pot of food na hindi mo na kailangang ilipat pa. Serve as is. Dapat maganda lang yung lutuan mo para wala ka ng hugasan na iba after. And we will try it in a little while. After a few minutes, naka-rest lang yung ating rice, it will look so different kasi inabsorb na niya lahat ng excess moisture. Look at that. Beautiful, no? Garnish lang natin ng konting parsley or cilantro. Beautiful. And you can serve it with lemon on the side just to brighten up the flavors. Beautiful. And ang sarap. And the nice thing about this recipe is that pag nandyan na yung bisita mo, bubuksan mo na lang at ilalapag mo na lang and you are ready to eat. Tikim-tikim. Look at that. Yan ang sinasabi ko kasi ginisa natin yung rice ng maganda. It's not mushy, it's not sticky. Rice lang muna, pwede ba? Rice lang. Wala mo ng diet today, pero look at that. There's like a very good jambalaya sausage. Sarap ng smokiness ng sausage. At ito na ating bida sa handaan, sausage and rice casserole. Simpol! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!